Yo, we got the Worx we just got today. The Worx little power tool set. We got a drill right here. Let me get one of them. Okay, we have a drill with a 1.5 20-volt battery. We have this nice bag. An impact drill. Two batteries. Battery charger. And the drill bits, which only two of them. These two came with the set, the two screwdriver ones, and these three are the three black ones, Black & Decker. These are so I could put sockets on them. We have the 1/4, or a fourth, a quarter, fourth, 3/8, half. So we have the screwdriver attachment right here. We're gonna pop it in place. There we go. And then we have this one strip. But this is the coolest feature. All right, watch this. Okay, can't turn it off either way. Drill bit on there. Good. This one you can't. So it's so let's see if we can get a screw out. So there's a screw right here. We're gonna just pop that baby out. Look at that. Got a screw. Now we're gonna pop her back in. Just like so. Now, we're gonna try a different screw. Let me see if I can find one first. Aha, right here, this board. We're going to take a screw right here with screw mode on. It has 3 modes. We have drill mode and push. Push gives you a little bit more power. That's drill. And these batteries aren't even fully charged, and it's still. They're doing that. So that's the drill. Oh, and to take you just turn this to the loosen. Tools out. This is what am I? Look at that. And this uses the power share system from Worx. So you can you can put this on any other tools. do. So yeah, we have the drill. There we go. I'm using the front camera today, so sorry. So we got the drill, like we were talking about before. These, I think $4 for 3 impact rated attachments. The screwdriver attachment. The impact, which push this up, pull it like that, then you, let's say you need to take a bolt that's a hat. Boom. 3/8, 1/4, smallest. There we go. That's the little LED. Let's talk about here's the charger. Now, right here, when the light, right here, it has a little green light that will flash right here. When it's flashing, it means it's charging. When it's solid green, battery's charged. If it's flashing red, it means the battery's hot. It means too hot to charge, so it won't charge it. And when it's solid green, the battery is defected. But this is the slow charger. We do have a fast charger. One of such. We have the hyper charge. I might show you in 3 seconds. What stuff? What else do we have in the bag? We also have the Worx cloth fabric bag. It's all right. Pretty decent bag for price. So this is the little bag. Comes with the booklet. So we have Worx 3-year warranty. That just goes about the warranty stuff. This is warranty registration card. Here's the power chair booklet. So I'll show you some of their stuff they got. This is some of the stuff they have. The top page that I'm showing you is their 20-volt system, which everything uses the same battery. They do have, I think, some that uses a big 40-volt, but down here they have some 40 volts, which I think most of these just use 2 20-volt batteries to get 40 volts. Don't know about the lawnmowers, push mowers. They have like 4 leaf blowers. They have this one, which is just a regular leaf blower. They have the turbo one, which this is what we have, and this is a shop blower. It's still kind of a leaf blower. We got all kinds of cool stuff. There's our hyper shop. We have the long arm, like this 40-volt one down here. That's a tree trimmer. You can tree branches. You got the sawzall. And then this right there is a sawzall / reciprocating saw. Right next to it is a reciprocating saw. The weed whacker. The impact, which is the one that I have, I believe. Some type of cutting thing, a light. Applicating multi-tool. They have a flashlight there. Another weed whacker. Chainsaw, head trimmer, I believe a sander, some sort. They have a brushless drill, which means it's non-maintenance. Don't have brushes. The ones I have, these 2 tools are brushed, sadly. And they do have this drill, which is just a regular drill. That drill we can tighten. That's that one. They do have a hex screwdriver, which you can flip, the head can flip, which is pretty cool. And then another weed whacker. Then down at the bottom, for the page, it's just mostly the same stuff. We have a bigger turbo leaf blower, a bigger chainsaw, basically a bigger weed whacker, bigger head trimmer up there, bigger hydro chop, and two different push mowers. Probably one self-propelled by the look. Maybe this one is self-propelled. Maybe that one. I don't know. Maybe one's self-propelled and one's not. Not exactly. I know one's a 14, one's a 17 inch. Besides that, I'm not sure. So this just shows you all the stuff, tools, and doodads you can get with their system. The next thing in our booklet bag is basically the same thing. Booklet. It's the same booklet, just in Spanish. I don't know if you guys want to see that. Probably not. We have on this booklet. We have the drill booklet, which just goes in detail. Safety. Okay, why? Why couldn't you cut that? I'm not so picky. But just goes in detail how to use the drill, all that stuff. Maintenance, get it serviced, all that jazz. That's what that just teaches you what it can do, or what it can go through, like the materials. It's a nice drill. And then we got the impact, which more or less it's the same, doing the same thing, just telling you general safety for batteries, the tool, do not burn, high speed, low speed. And it shows you how to put the battery. Here's a page I'm going to show from the impact. That was a storm. Hopefully we don't get rain on while I'm doing this. So we have showing you how to do the bits, what way it can go, how to install the battery, and how to charge it, how to get it undone. There's more or less the same stuff. See, on this page it shows you all the specs right here, the max torque and all that, no load speed and all that good jazz. That's just more safety, and then it goes to Spanish. So that's the impact book. If you buy these books, come with the tool. So if you bought just this, it would come with this booklet right here. And if you were just to buy this, like with the battery by itself, it would come with this booklet. But these were at Menards, $68 I believe. Not a bad deal with the bag, and not a bad deal. This $250 RPMs a minute, I'm guessing. Pretty powerful. Real powerful drill, impact drill, sorry. That's how you pull the battery off. Most drills, the battery is like this, lithium ones you can get, like a Black & Decker. I don't have one out with me, but I do have some Black & Decker. Sounds like a rainstorm's coming in, so that is not good for me, but we should be done and over with before then, if I stop ranting on. So that's what that one sounds like. I already showed. I think I showed you. That is. Here is drill mode, and this is push. Gives you extra like torque and speed and stuff. And the last booklet in here is for the charger. The light's still on. So, right, this is for the charger. This tells you what each flat light mean. Right there, their pattern. How to use the charger, how long it's going to take to charge, a battery. I think it's on the next. It's on this page. It's gonna somewhere. This ain't gonna be the fast charger. This is kind of the slower charger. We have a fast charger. I might show you later in another video, because I'm probably going to show you the other work stuff we have. We just got some of these things, and I'll probably show you some Black & Decker. I do have a Harbor Freight drill called a Warrior. A Warrior that does, I think, slightly more RPMs than this. That was a sprinkle. Nice. Hello, Mother Nature. So, yeah. That's all this does. Tells you voltage, all that, the weight of it. Booklets back together. So, I will see you guys in the next video. First video, I think probably 2 weeks, maybe more. Not exactly sure, but I will see you guys later. Bye. This is Thomas signing off.